Hey, this is Joakim. Welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool mix model right here, and basically what this is some string lights or fairy lights. So you guys actually put this wherever you guys want to. So you can see this is basically what the packaging looks like for the one that we have right here, and it's from this brand right here on top. And then see in the back right here, they tell you guys some of the specs that's on the product right here. And in terms of the temperature that's on here, it's not like a bright white color. This one's like a warm white color. But let's actually open up the product to show you guys what's actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so you can definitely see the high quality copper wire right here. And if you look really carefully at the cable or the wire right here, it is 3 layers. So it definitely is a high quality cable, and it is super bendable as well. So you adjust it how you guys want to. And for this part right here, it is a USB. So you guys want to plug that maybe to your wall outlet, or you guys can plug it into a power bank as well to generate power onto the lights. Right here, they provide you guys a little piece of paper to teach you guys how to maintain and how to use the product. And last thing that's provided for you guys inside the package is this wall charger. So you don't plug this part into the wall and plug the USB part into right here to generate power onto your device. Or like I mentioned, you can definitely use like a power bank to generate power as well. But that is basically everything that's included in the product right here. So you see the cable option right here, they do have a little button that you can press to activate and close the product. And if you guys look throughout the product right here, it definitely has those little light bulbs throughout the product that lights up, which is pretty nice. Let me actually show you guys what it actually look like if I plug it into a power bank first. Alright, so I'm plugging in my power bank right here. If you guys can see, this is basically what it looks like right here. So it definitely looks pretty awesome. If you guys want to change the option right here, just press the button one time. So basically what this button does is to activate or turn off the product. You can see right here. So that turns it off, and this turns it on. So when we turn on the product and when you guys feel it, it definitely feels pretty cool. It doesn't feel like really hot compared to like your normal LED light strips or whatever. This one definitely feels pretty cool and doesn't feel like it's really hot or anything, which is pretty nice and very safe. And we see the lights are actually pretty bright. It actually looks very, very nice. So this actually looks a lot nicer if it's darker. So for this product, it doesn't give you guys any like tape or any mounting accessory or anything. So you definitely want to get your own mounting accessory before you guys install the product. But I definitely love the option of how you guys can bend the cable so you guys can actually adjust it how you guys want to. So if you guys want it to hang all the way down or through out your window, or if you guys want to go zigzag or whatever, you can definitely do all of that on here. And probably one of the coolest thing about this product is the fact that you guys can actually generate power using a power bank, or you can plug it into a wall outlet as well to generate power on the product. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to brighten up the room a little bit or make it a little bit more romantic, then definitely get one of these right here. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.